has finally done it again. Rendering Photoshop is king of the pack with their latest state-of-the-art image generation and image editing model, codenamed Nano Banana. Now, if you are conversant with generative media, you know one of the major setbacks of image generation models or platform is character consistency. Now, probably you have tried using models like Flux, Kontext, recent Qwen image edit model, just like me. I've tried all of that, but I'll tell you right now, none of these come closer to the Nano Banana model by Google. You see, with this model, you can achieve a lot. The capability is just insane, and its character consistency is on another level. And it just opens a lot of possibilities for creators, for creatives, for designers, for marketers and advertisers, and even business owners. Anyways, in this video, I'll share with you how you can use this model for various photo manipulation that you would have to use complex multi-step Photoshop workflows. But right now, you can do all of this with your natural language, just prompt, and you get the result. Okay, enough said. Let's dive into today's video tutorial. For example, you can just ask it to help you change your outfit, change the color of your outfit, or even change your hairstyle. You can as well swap background, add an object to your image without altering the facials of the main character or subject. That is what sets this particular model apart from other models currently in the market. And also, if you use AI for product photography, branded product ad generation, you should know AI struggle with bringing in real-world product image into its output. Most times, it's either the text are not legible or it alters the shape of the product. But with this, you are able to upload multiple images. Could be using yourself as a model or even AI generated models to help you showcase your products. The difference is Nano Banana is capable to blend multiple images without altering the subject, the object. This just opens a new world of possibilities for marketers, for creators and creatives. It renders text perfectly well. And the interesting thing is, you can use it to restore and colorize your old photos as well. The model is currently available on various platforms, but I've had success using it on Gemini app. If you have tried this, share your thoughts in the comment section. I think Google is saying something. Follow me for more content like this to stay ahead.